Hey good people, so today I'm making some candy yams that you're going to use actually the stove top as well as the oven. So first I'm going to start off by preheating the oven to 350 degrees, and I'm going to boil some potatoes. I have like 3 medium yams, and in this pot mixture I have 1 stick of butter, some cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, salt, sugar, as well as some vanilla extract. And all the ingredients as well as the measurement is on my website. I will include the link in the description. So you're going to pour that mixture over the candy yams and bake it for about 30 minutes. You're going to uncover it and stir, and then you're going to put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes uncovered. And the candy yams are done after this. So it's a very simple recipe. It's great for side dishes for holidays as well as barbecues. I'll have the recipe link inside the video description. I hope you enjoy.